Hi everyone, you are welcome in Interestingly Maths. Today we are going to find out the square of any number. बहुत कम टाइम में एकदम शॉर्ट ट्रिक, आई फील द शॉर्टेस्ट वन, आप किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो गाइस, यहाँ पे चार नंबर मैंने सिलेक्ट किए हैं. 21 का स्क्वायर, 45 स्क्वायर एंड 82 का स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ a 3-digit number also, right? 2-digit and 3-digit. 1-digit is very simple. You can find it out very simple. It is 4. Then it is 16. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. But what about the square of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers and more? So today we shall do these four with a very short, very quick trick. See, 21 square. See, so I will mark three places here, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is just for your learning. आपको समझाने के लिए मैं अभी ऐसे कर रहा हूं और उसके बाद मैं इसको बहुत शॉर्ट तरीके से आपको फाइंड करके दिखाऊंगा. जस्ट सी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 here and square of 2 here, and in between और बीच में 2 into 1 into 2, 2 into 1 into 2. Now see, again 3 digits. Square of 1 is 1. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 into 1 into 2 it is 4. 2 square is 4. So the number is 1. 1's digit from here, 10th digit from here, 100th digit from here. So यहाँ पर एक ही digit है 1 आ गया, यहाँ पर भी एक ही digit है 4 आ गया, यहाँ पर एक ही digit है 4 आ गया. See, the square of 21 is 4, 4, 1. Very simple one. So now taking the second one, that is 45 square. I'll mark three places. 5 square will be here, 4 square will be here, and here 4 into 5 into 2. 4 into 5 into 2. Right? Got it? This is 16. This is 40. This is 25. So now writing the number. अब नंबर लिखने की बारी है. मैंने आपको बताया था 1's digit from here, 10th digit from here, 100th digit from here. 1's digit here is 5. So I will write 5 here. This 2 will be added to this. 2 will be added to 40. It will become 42. So 42 का 2 इधर आ जाएगा. 4 will be carry. 4 will be carry. 6 plus 4 will be, or 16 plus 4 will be 20. This is the square of 45. Okay. Now, अब यही दोनों, इन्हीं दोनों को आपने जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, अभी तो मेरे को समझाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा, जब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, so I believe me, it will not take more than 2 or 3 seconds to find the square of any number. और अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके करते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से करते हैं, तो इट गोज अप टू लॉन्गर टाइम. सो सी हियर इट इज 21 स्क्वायर. आई विल राइट इट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 स्क्वायर इज 1. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज 2 into 1 into 2. 2 into 1 is 2 into 2 4. And then the square of this 4. Answer 45. See, 5 square. 5 square is 5. 2 is carry. 4 into 5 into 2. 4 into 5, 20 into 2, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 4 is carry. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. See, this is the answer. This is the answer. See how fast is it? So guys, now 82 square and 215 square, that is the 3-digit numbers square. Okay, first 82 square, I'll do it. Check the time. 82 square, this is 2 square is 4, 8 2s are 16 into 2 32, 2 3 is carry, 8 square is 64, 67 pico, and this is the answer. See the square of 82, you can check it out. Now, square of a 3-digit number, that is 215, for example, I have taken it here. it is 215 square. So for this, I'll again make three places, 1, 2, 3. So I'll divide this number into 2, that is 21 and 5. 21 and 5. See, so this is 21 square, 21 into 5 into 2 and 5 square. This will be what? 21 square, we all know it is 441, and this is what? 10210, and this is 25, and we know that units placed from here, that is 5, and 2 will be added to this. This will be 212. So 2 will be here, 2 1 will be added to this, and when 2 1 is added to it, 1 1 2, 2 4 6 and 4. So square of 215 is square of 215. 215 is 46225. 5. Right guys, bye, see you.